Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Kick live streaming app on a device. Now if you are fond of live streaming and you want to do live streaming and all but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to install the Kick live streaming app, then make sure that you are connected with the Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. After that you may simply open App Store or Play Store on a device that is according to your device. So I'll simply open App Store on my device and here I'll need to search Kick, K-I-C-K. So after that click on the search button at the very bottom right, and there you'll see the option of Kick Cash, Cash Kick and Kick live streaming app. So now this is the app and you will see the logo of K on the color green, so you may click on the option of get. So if you are installing it for the first time, then it asks you to double click on the power button at the very top right, or the power button, and click on the option of install. So I have already verified myself and as you can see that the download process has started. So that's it, that's how you can download the Kick app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.